In this video, you'll learn how to short in Binance futures. By following these steps, you will understand how to open a short position effectively and manage your trading strategy. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the futures section of the platform. This can typically be found in the main menu or through the dashboard. Make sure to select the USDTM futures option, as this is the market you will be trading in. Next, you will need to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Look for the transfer button, usually located in the wallet section. After clicking on it, a window will appear, allowing you to specify the amount you wish to transfer and the transfer, and ensure that the funds are successfully moved into your futures wallet before proceeding. Once your funds are in the futures wallet, it is time to set your leverage. Locate the leverage button on the trading interface. It often displays the current leverage ratio. Click on this button and a slider or input box will appear, allowing you to adjust the leverage according to your trading strategy. It is important to select your desired leverage carefully, as this impacts both potential profits and losses. After adjusting, confirm your settings to finalize the leverage adjustment. Now that your leverage is set, you can open a short position. Look for the sell or short option, which is typically found on the trading interface. You will need to choose between a market or limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell. After selecting your order type, enter the quantity of the asset you wish to short. Once everything is filled out, confirm your order to execute the trade. After placing your short position, it is crucial to monitor the liquidation price. This price indicates the level at which your position could be liquidated if the market moves against you. Understanding this price helps manage your risk effectively. Be aware that large positions can increase the risk of liquidation, especially in volatile markets. Always ensure you have adequate risk management strategies in place. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.